If you want to set up an alarm clock on the Motorola Edge 70, what you need to do is you need to go to the app drawer, and then over here you should be able to find the clock app. So once you open the clock app, you will probably immediately see that you are in the alarms, so that is fine. You might also see some information about alarm volume being low, so if that's the case, you want to tap on a fix and you want to increase the alarm volume in here, just in case. But anyway, if you want to set up the alarm clock, you can create your own alarm by using this plus button in the bottom right corner. Over here you can choose the time, you can set it up quite easily and press OK. And there we go, the alarm is immediately created. You can also see when it will go off, and since it is automatically enabled. You can of course enable and disable an alarm like this. You can also tap on the alarm in order to customize it a little bit to for example make some changes if needed. You can also enable alarms that are already created over here in case you need to do that. And what is quite important is that you can tap on the, for example, the tomorrow text over here on the upper side of the clock, or on the Sunday, Saturday, essentially on the days of the week during which the alarm can go off, in order to have more customization. So as you can see, this is not everything that we can do. Here we can choose days of the week when the alarm should go off. We can schedule an alarm for a specific day, and we have some additional options in here that you might want to use, and tap on save in the bottom right corner in order to, of course, apply these changes. And that's it. Oh, and by the way, you can tap on these three dots in the upper right corner, for example, in order to find some additional settings. You can press and hold your finger on the alarm, I believe, in order to... Okay, actually we cannot press and hold, my bad. What we can do is we can tap on the upper side in order to delete the alarm, for example. So if need to, you can of course also remove these alarms. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.